Hardik Pandya's full name is Hardik Himanshu Pandya. He was born on the 11th of October 1993 in Surat, Gujarat. His wife's name is Natasa Stankovic, who is actress. His nickname is Kung Fu Pandya and Harry. He is a cricketer and plays for the Indian cricket team. He is an all-rounder player, right-handed batsman and right-arm fast-medium bowler. His Test debut was on the 26th of July 2017. His ODI debut was on the 16th of October 2016 and his T20 debut was on the 26th of January 2016. His ODI and T20 shirt number is 33. He is a hard-hitter batsman. He is one of the most explosive batsmen and is known for hitting sixes. His favorite shot is helicopter shot. Hardik Pandya single-handedly helped India to win many matches with his all-rounder performance. Gujarat Titans won the IPL 2022 title under Hardik Pandya's captaincy.